Did you know your iPhone 16 Pro Max can shoot Hollywood-level videos and ultra-crisp photos? Most people miss these hidden camera tricks, but not you. Stick around to unlock pro-level shots. 1. Photographic Styles. Ever taken a picture and thought, why does this look dull? That's where Photographic Styles step in. Go to Settings and tap Camera. Then select Photographic Styles and pick one. Standard works best if you like editing after the fact. But if you want vibrant, social media-ready photos, choose Rich Contrast or Vivid. You'll get perfectly balanced colors straight from the camera. No editing apps required. 2. Video recording settings. Are you ready to elevate your filming game? Begin by navigating to Settings, then select Camera, and choose Record Video. Set the resolution to an impressive 4K at 60 frames per second. This combination offers an exceptional balance of stunning clarity and fluid smoothness, ensuring your videos capture every detail with breathtaking precision. For slow-motion shots, 1080p at 240 FPS. Cinematic videos, 4K at 30 frames per second. Bonus tip: enable spatial sound to make your videos sound as immersive as they look. 3. Formats. Save space or share easily. Here's the scoop. Choosing high efficiency is a fantastic way to save storage space on your device, but be aware it may lead to occasional sharing obstacles. If you find yourself frequently airdropping photos to non-Apple devices, it's wise to opt for most compatible to ensure seamless transfers. A helpful tip? Generally, stick with high efficiency unless you encounter any specific issues, as it provides optimal quality while conserving precious space. 4. Photo quality. Capture every detail. Craving stunning detail in your images? Switch your photo mode to 24 megapixels for breathtaking clarity. If you're anticipating some serious editing, enable ProRAW at a remarkable 48 megapixel resolution. This setting captures an abundance of detail that's perfect for post-processing. Just be cautious, as it gobbles up storage space quicker than a binge-watching session on Netflix. 5. Video quality. Go Pro mode. Enable Apple ProRes and Log mode if you aspire to edit videos with a professional edge. These advanced settings open the door to cinematic-grade color control, providing you with the tools necessary to craft visually stunning content. Perfect for both emerging filmmakers and seasoned creators seeking to elevate their work. 6. Preserve settings. Are you tired of the hassle of resetting your favorite camera settings every time you start shooting? Discover the convenience of the Preserve Settings feature. With just a few clicks, you can enable options such as photographic style and camera mode, ensuring that your preferred preferences are always at your fingertips. If close-up photography isn't your usual style, consider turning off macro control to streamline your settings further. 7. Quick capture. Have you ever attempted to capture the boundless energy of a hyper puppy in photographs? To immortalize those fleeting moments, simply activate the volume up feature for burst mode. By pressing and holding the volume up button, you can take a series of rapid-fire shots, ensuring you don't miss the perfect shot of your pup soaring through the air during a joyful jump. With this technique, you'll be able to freeze those exhilarating mid-air antics in stunning detail, creating memories that you can cherish forever. 8. Composition settings. Good composition is not merely a stroke of luck. It's rooted in mathematical principles. Enhance your visual storytelling by mastering the art of framing. Go to Settings, tap Camera, and in Composition, toggle on grid lines for balanced shots. Level to keep horizons straight. View outside the frame to get a better context for your shots. Also, disable Mirror Front Camera. It feels natural for selfies but messes up composition. 9. Fusion Camera. More lens, more creativity. Discover the exciting new feature on the iPhone 16, the Fusion Camera. To unlock its full potential, navigate to Settings and tap Camera, and select Fusion Camera, and enable the 28mm and 35mm lenses. These lenses offer a remarkable range of versatile framing options, allowing you to capture stunning images with ease, all without the hassle of switching between devices. Embrace your creativity and elevate your photography experience. 10. Portrait mode. Shortcut. Depth without drama. Love portraits but hate toggling modes? Enable portraits in photo mode. Now, when the camera detects a face, it automatically offers portrait options. No more fiddling around. 11th. Performance tweaks. Speed versus quality. Here's what you do to improve the speed and quality of your images in iPhone. Turn off. Prioritize faster shooting to boost image quality. Enable lens correction for better wide-angle shots. Disable macro control unless you're a bug photography enthusiast. That's it. Master these iPhone 16 Pro Max settings and level up your shots. Got a favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.